Hi everybody! So we just got back from Hong Kong and meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo na very, very special item. If you're following me on Instagram or on Facebook, feeling ko nakita nyo na I found the bag, the Jellycat bag that V had during Celine event. Yung Fluffy Bear tote bag. Ang tawag pala sa kanya is Bartholomew Bear tote bag from Jellycat. And nung nalaman ko nga pupunta kami ng Hong Kong, kasi biglaan na nga lang rin itong trip na to, it was a business trip. Pero sabi ko talaga, pumunta tayo sa Times Square. Kasi naalala ko before, nung nakapunta na kami doon, merong Jellycat na pop-up. Sabi ko baka sakaling meron doon. And lo and behold, guys, nung pumunta kami, meron. Pero super limited nung stocks. Nung pumunta kami doon, yung inangat ko, yung nasa picture ko na nakaangat, isang Bartholomew bag and isang, I think, the name is Smudge Bear. I'm not sure, pero lighter yung color niya than Bartholomew. Tapos nung tinanong ko, sabi nila, yun na lang daw yung meron silang stock. So binili na natin and i-unbox natin now. Well, actually, hindi natin i-unbox kasi a little kwento, guys. Di binili na nga namin siya doon sa pop-up. Alam niyo ba, after namin magbayad, kung anong ginawa ng sales lady? After magbayad, guys, inabot yung bag. As is. Walang balot, walang bag. Naloka ako. Naloka ako. Sabi ko, oh, doesn't this come in a bag? Don't you have a bag? So, binigyan niya ako ng Lane Crawford na bag. Tapos yun na yun. Tapos sabi ko nga sa kanya, kasi, di ba medyo umuulan-ulan, umaambon, open lang yung bag, tapos wala naman siyang cover. Humingi na lang ako ng tissue. I could have a tissue so I can cover it so it doesn't get wet. So, yun naman yung binigay na. So, ganun lang yung packaging niya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe because it wasn't like a brick and mortar na Jellycat store. But, what's important is I got the bag. And ito siya, I will show you. Tadaan! This is the bag! Ginamito ko siya, guys, kasi inimpake natin sa maleta. Ayoko naman siyang madamage or maipit. So, binalutan natin siya ng ganito. And i-unpack na natin. Nakita niyo naman na to, pero I'm super excited that it's now here in the Philippines with us. Tadaan! Oh my God, it's so cute! Ah! Oh my gosh, para na ba akong si V? V Cortez. V Cortez. Ah, look at that. Yes, it's so cute. Welcome home, BB Bear. This is Bartholomew the Bear. Tapos actually, nung nakita namin siya, sabi ni Paul, bakit ganyan? Bakit ang mahal? Pero kung pag na-feel nyo siya, it's super, super soft. Kakaiba siya. Sabi ko nga, iba to dun sa mga stuff